Dear students, today I am going to discuss about null space of a matrix and column space of a matrix and some problems based on these two definitions. So what is null space of a matrix? The null space of an m by n matrix capital A written as null A, and null A is the set of all solutions of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0. What is null A? The set of all solutions of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0. What is set notation here? Here null A is equal to x is that x is in Rn and Ax is equal must be equal to 0. What is set notation? Null A is equal to x says that x is in Rn and Ax is equal to 0. So based on this concept, we have to do one example, that is, let A be the matrix and capital A is equal to 1, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 5, 9, 1, and U is equal to 5, 3, minus 2. Determine if U belongs to null space of A. If U belongs to null space of A means, then we have to write it as AU must be equal to 0 only. Here take the another slide. Here what is given? Given matrix is A 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, 9, 1. U is equal to 5, 3, minus. These two are given. What is the question here? If U belongs to null A, then AU must be equal to 0. So we need to find AU is equal to 0 or not. Simply we compute what is given. A and U are given. The product of AU. What is A? 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, 9, 1 and 5, 3, minus 2. The product of these two, we get the row of this matrix and column of this matrix multiplied. We get 1 into 5, 5, 3 into minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, and minus 5, 9, 1 and 5, 3, minus 2. Multiplying these two, minus 5 into 5, minus 25, 9 into 3 plus 27, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now simplifying, we get 0. That means here the product of AU becomes 0. The product of AU becomes 0 means here U is in null A. Thus U is in null A. Take the another slide. That is theorem 1. Statement is not seen properly. So what is statement here? The statement of this theorem is, what is statement? The null space of an m by n matrix capital A is subspace of Rn. The null space of an m by n matrix capital A is subspace of Rn, or equivalently the set of all solutions of the system Ax is equal to 0 of m homogeneous linear equations in unknowns is a subspace of Rn. What is null space of matrix A? The set of all solutions of the homogeneous equations that must be equal to Ax is equal to 0. The system of all solutions of the homogeneous equation in n unknowns is a subspace of Rn. See, first here we have to show that null A, what is given, null A is must be a subspace of Rn. To show null A is subspace of Rn, what is conditions here? 3 conditions. The first condition is null A must be 0, null A having 0, null A is closed under vector addition, null A is closed under scalar multiplication. If these 3 properties satisfied, then we say that null A is a subspace of Rn. Certainly what is given here? Null A is a subset of Rn. Certainly null A is subset of Rn, because here A has n columns and Rn means here n entries are there. The set has n entries. Null A means here because A has n columns. So we must show that null A satisfies the three properties of subspace. So of course we have to show that here already null A consists of the 0. 0 is in null A. We have to show that null A is a closed under vector addition. Null A automatically lies in 0. Null A consists of the 0. Now let u1v represents any two vectors in null A. u1v represents any two vectors in null A. Then if u1v lies in null A means what is your AU must be equal to 0, then AV is equal to 0. So that is we are consider equation 1. We call equation 1. Second, we have to show that here the addition of u plus v. The addition of u plus v. What is the addition of u plus v? We shall show that the addition of u plus v is in null A. Here show that u plus v is in null A. So what is, we must show that A into u plus v is equal to what? 0. Using property of matrix multiplication, compute A into u plus v. A into u plus v is equal to AU plus AV. What is AU plus AV? Value of AU plus AV from 1, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So A into u plus v what? 0. So A into u plus v is equal to 0 means u plus v is in null A. So second property is also satisfied. Therefore null A is closed under vector addition only. Finally you have to show that null A is a closed under scalar multiplication. So we have considered if C is any scalar, then A into Cu is equal to C into AU is equal to, what is the value of AU? 0. So C into 0 is equal to 0. So it shows that the Cu is in null A. A into Cu is equal to 0 means, so what is here? Here Cu is in, or C is in null A. Cu is in null A means then thus null A is a subspace of Rn, because here null A satisfies the 0 vector and null A consists of the 0 vector, and also null A satisfies the closed under vector addition, null A satisfies the closed under scalar multiplication. So then these three properties satisfied, then you say that null A is a subspace of Rn. Okay. Now next slide. Here let H be the set of all vectors in Rn whose coordinates a, b, c, d satisfy the equation a minus 2b plus 5c is equal to d and c minus a is equal to b. Show that H is a subspace of R4. What is given? Let H be the set of all vectors in R4 whose coordinates are a, b, c, d satisfy the equation a minus 2b plus 5c is equal to d and c minus a is equal to b. We have to show that H is a subspace of R4. How is H here? H is the set of all vectors in R4. Here those coordinates are a, b, c, d are given. Here H can be taken at rearrange the vectors. The H be the set of all vectors in R4. So H can be rearrange the equation that describe the elements of H, and note that H is the set of all solutions of the following system of homogeneous linear equations. So this is written as a minus 2b plus 5c. We take the d from left side, from right side to left side. Take the left side, and a minus 2b plus 5c minus d equal to 0. And also another equation, C minus A is equal to B. Here B takes from right to left. What is the value? Minus A minus B plus C is equal to 0. This is second equation. These two are homogeneous equations. Okay. These equations are subspace of R power 4. Because why it is subspace? Because take the next slide. These equations are subspace of R4 because why it is subspace? The set of all solutions of homogeneous equations must be subspace of Rn. Already we have proved. By using that statement, these equations are also homogeneous equations. So these equations are subspace of R power 4 because H consists of only four vector 4 మనకి ఏమన్నాయనికి 4 ABC 4 only 4 vectors are there. A minus 2B plus 5C minus D is equal to 0. Minus A minus B plus C is equal to 0. Here the system of linear equations is subspace of Rn. Okay. H is a subspace of R power 4. Note, if H is not homogeneous, then the set of all solutions of definitely not be a subspace. If H is a not homogeneous, then the set of solutions will definitely not be a subspace. Because if it is not homogeneous, those vectors are not consist of the zero vector. So 0 is not there, we can't prove this is not a subspace of Rn, isn't it? So if it is the given vectors are here, the given vectors are H is the consist of the four scalars are A minus 2B plus 5C minus D is equal to 0. Minus A minus B plus BC is equal to 0. So suppose H is a not homogeneous. Homogeneous means not equal to 0. So these type of equations have definitely not be a subspace because the zero vector does not consist of those vectors. Okay. Next slide. You know the another main concept, the column space of a matrix. What is column space of a matrix? Here the column space of an m by n matrix capital A is written as column of A. The column of A is the set of all linear combinations of the columns of A. What is here the difference between null A and column A? Here column A is the set of all linear combinations of the columns of A. And what about null A? Null A is the set of all solutions of homogeneous equations. What is null A? Null A is the set of all solutions of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0. Here, what is column A? The set of all linear combinations of the columns of A. So, must to remember the difference of these two. Column A is the set of all linear combinations of the columns of A, and null A is the set of all solutions of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0. Here, if A is equal, capital A is equal to A1, A2, so on, An, then column A is the span of A1, A2, so on, An. If A is given, then what is column A? Column A is the span of A1, A2, so on. What is span? The set of all linear combinations of the vectors. The set of all linear combinations of the vectors is span. Here, what is column A? The set of all linear combinations of the columns of A. Now the columns of A are lies in Rm only. The columns of A are in Rm. Here, what is theorem? We discuss about the one important theorem. The column space of an m by n matrix capital A capital A is subspace of Rm. The column space of an M/n matrix capital A is subspace of Rm. Proof. Note that a typical vector in column A can be written as Ax for some x, because take the another slide. The column space of an M/n matrix capital A is a subspace of Rm. What is subspace? And to prove the subspace, it satisfies the three properties. Already we know about that. So first we have to prove that what is given condition. Note that a typical vector in column A can be written as Ax for some x, because the notation Ax stands for a linear combination of the columns of A. Ax stands for linear combination of the columns of A. So what is column A? Column A is the set of all linear combinations of the columns of A. That is written as in set notation B maps such that B is equal to Ax for some x in Rn. Here x is in Rn only. Here in null space of A, x is in Rm only. So the column of A can be written as, the column of A is written as span of A1, A2, so on n. Already this is known. Okay, the column of A is span of A1, A2, so on n. By previous theorem, span of A1, A2, so on n is subspace of Rm. Span of A1, A2, M is subspace of Rm. Therefore, what is column of A? Column of A is also automatically subspace of Rm only. Isn't it? Column of A is subspace of Rm. Go to the next slide. Take the one example based on this column of A. Find matrix A such that W is equal to column A. Find matrix A such that W is equal to column A, where W is equal to what? 6A minus B, A plus B, minus 7A, such that A comma B R lies in R. What is given? W is equal to column A. W is equal to column A. Here what is given? What is W? W is equal to 6A minus B, A plus B, minus 7A. Here A comma B are in R. Write W as set of linear combinations. W as set of, already we know W is set of linear combinations. That means W can be written as W is equal to, here A takes common from the vector. Here if A takes common means here A is A into 6, 1, minus 7. And B takes common from this vector. And here B into 1, 1, 0. Such that A comma B in R. What is column A? Column A here this vector is considered V1, this is V2. And the column of A is equal to, column space of A is equal to span of V1, V2. Span of V1, what is V1, V2 here? V1, V2 means here 6, 1, minus 7, minus 1, 1, 0 are the V1, V2. Go to next slide. The column of A is equal to span of V1, V2, and span of V1, V2 is equal to, what is here? V1 is equal to 6, 1, minus 7, V2 is equal to minus 1, 1, 0. What is A here? Let A is equal to 6, 1, minus 7, minus 1, 1, 0. So what is W? W is equal to what? Here column A. We observe one note here. The column space of an M/n matrix. The column space of an M/n matrix A is all of Rm if and only if the equation Ax is equal to B has a solution for each B in Rm. Okay. The column of A is what here? The column space of an M/n matrix A is all of Rm if and only the equation Ax is equal to B has a solution for each B in Rm. Go to the next slide. I think it is last slide. Okay. Next we will continue next class tomorrow.